6 amazing science experiments you can do at home. Ready to turn your curiosity into jaw-dropping discoveries? In this video, we're diving into 6 simple yet spectacular science experiments. You'll learn how to perform them step by step, see the science at work, and uncover the mind-blowing principles behind each experiment. Let the fun begin. Create a mini volcano that erupts with foam. You'll need baking soda, vinegar, dish soap, and some food coloring. Mix baking soda, dish soap, and coloring in a model volcano or cup. Then pour in vinegar. Watch the foam eruption. This showcases acid-base chemical reactions, releasing carbon dioxide. Ever seen raisins dance? Drop raisins into a glass of carbonated soda. Tiny bubbles of carbon dioxide gas attach to the raisins, lifting them up, then pop, making them sink. This experiment beautifully demonstrates buoyancy and gas density through a fun, invisible process. Inflate a balloon without blowing into it. Simply mix vinegar and baking soda inside a bottle and place a balloon over the opening. The reaction releases carbon dioxide gas, expanding the balloon. This introduces you to gas production during chemical reactions and the laws around gas volume. You'll need a comb and running water from a tap. Rub the comb on a piece of fabric to generate static electricity, then hold it near the water stream. Watch the water bend. This is a simple yet effective way to explore static electricity and its impact on objects. Write a secret message with lemon juice and let it dry. Hold the paper near heat, like a candle or a light bulb, to reveal the hidden words. The heat oxidizes the lemon juice, making it visible. This works because of heat-sensitive chemical reactions, perfect for your inner spy. Place a sealed bottle of purified water in the freezer for 2 hours. Open it and gently tap the bottle or pour the water into a bowl to watch it freeze instantly. This captivating experiment teaches about supercooling, how liquids can stay liquid below their freezing points until disturbed. Science isn't just fascinating, it's hands-on fun. Share these experiments with friends or family and challenge them to try their own. Don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe for more exciting tutorials. Unlock the wonders of science and make everyday moments extraordinary.